do you think about when you hear the word comfort?
I think of a shrinking zone. And I think of something that in our lives continually gets smaller without some type of active thing to nudge it out. And when I think of a comfort zone, I don't think of a circle. I think of this little like globular thing. And like you might have been pushed extensively in one area. Maybe it's work, but maybe in relationships less so, right? Or maybe, adventure less so. And so like every area gets to be pushed out to give you a larger space. And then within the space of that comfort zone, like that's your place to thrive. And I like that to be as expansive as possible. Like, which then brings me to the thought of range. Again, we were talking about this. I love the ability to enjoy but not need a 5-star, and the ability to enjoy and not need the sleeping on the floor of the village, right? And that range in life, and for that entire thing to be comfortable. There's no suffering in either side of that, just joy of the experience. That's what comes up for me with comfort.
I think very little good comes from continuous comfort. Full stop.